I post lifestyle and DIY content right here on YouTube. Please consider subscribing and pressing the bell so that you get notifications when I do post. I also have an Instagram page and a Facebook page where you can find all the inspiration and basically posts that I post here on YouTube, but curated for Facebook and Instagram. A few months ago, I asked you guys to help me choose between a grid mirror and a framed mirror DIY, right? And I think the votes were for the framed mirror. Yes, they were definitely for the framed mirror. Right, and so I started with the DIY. Exciting times. So I took a trip to Builder's Warehouse. I've listed everything that I bought in the description below. Apparently mirrors are so expensive. Even if you're getting a custom size mirror, it's expensive. The dimensions I wanted were like pretty small. Well, I mean full length, but like not the biggest mirror in the world, right? And I'm telling you, people were asking for like 1,500 rand, 2,000 rand, and I wasn't willing to spend that much money. No. And so I took to Gumtree, and I thought I'd find second-hand mirrors there, and I did. And the mirror that I found happened to be 300 rand, and it was massive. This lady had a bathroom mirror the size of a massive bathroom mirror, and she was renovating her house, and she was basically giving it away because I couldn't believe that I found a mirror that big for 300 rand. Cool. I then asked a colleague of mine to help me with the transportation because my car is a little too small to fit the mirror. But collected it, and I had to pay my colleague as well because I needed their time and their petrol. It was very kind of him to assist. Thank you. I started drilling holes on the 178 pieces of wood, and this was to create a little bit of a shelf for the mirror to sit on. I then drilled holes on the top part of the frame, and then I nailed them in with regular nails and a regular hammer because we learn as we go. And these guys over here are the pieces of wood I used as the shelf handle. I cut them a little bit shorter because I needed them to sit snug inside the frame. And then I attached them using nails and glue. Remember, this is before I got myself a sander, so I cut pieces of sanding paper and I sanded the whole frame down. Another rookie mistake was choosing the stain based on the color of the bottle. I should have bought samples and tested it on the wood. So I ended up with this orange color that I'm not in love with, to be honest. To attach the mirror to the frame, I used double-sided tape. And now the moment of truth. This mirror is heavy. And I'll tell you right now, I was not supposed to do this by myself. I needed a hand or two in order for me to attach this mirror. Anyways, I was in a hurry. I wanted to see the final product. I was like, I'm doing this myself. It's my channel anyways. And I shouldn't have done that. Guys, I should not have done that. After what felt like hours of trying to lower this mirror without breaking it, it eventually broke. It broke into 3 large pieces, and yeah, my heart was broken. There were tears, there was a lot of cursing. Yeah, it broke, and then I just gave the frame away and threw the shards into the bin. Also, I was hesitant on sharing this video because, it's a failed DIY. Why should people, waste their time watching something that didn't work out? But I decided I'm going to share it because I wanted to showcase that DIY, first of all, is not easy and it's expensive. And do this better. I am going to attempt this DIY again. But you know what, I need all the courage. I need all the courage and money to attempt it, but you know what? Yeah, I think in retrospect,